the press. We want to issue this press statement that is coming from the Nyaribari leaders on unity and leadership that is in Kisii County. As you can see, today, all the leaders from Nyaribari as a whole, that is Nyaribari Chache and Nyaribari Masaba, have converged here at the ATC to deliberate on issues to deal with the leadership of Kisii County. We are a team of 1,000 leaders that are drawn from Nyaribari Masaba and Nyaribari Chache constituencies. The Constitution of Kenya in Article 1 gives the people the power to exercise their democratic right to participate and ask our elected leaders to serve as the way we deem fit. Consequently, we are here to give an observation on the current political situation in Kisii County as follows. Last week, we call upon the Deputy Governor, Dr. H.E to give us a clear stand on his latest political move to respect the Governor Paul H.E Arati by joining our governor's critics in giving a presser at his residence. We still ask the Deputy Governor to respect the Governor and his leadership to help deliver services to the people. We have also noted that there should be issues, should there be any issues with the Governor, our Deputy Governor should consult widely with Aba Nyaribari and leaders from other clans. The Deputy Governor should therefore consult Aba Nyaribari on any political move to avoid sending mixed signals on the stand of Nyaribari.
Yes, yes.
And these, the members from Nyaribari have felt may affect the relationship with the Governor that he has with the people from Nyaribari.
Yes, yes, yes.
This is to say that as a senior most leader in the county government from Nyaribari, our Deputy Governor must remain and be at the center to negotiate for Nyaribari in the county government. Yes. So any failure by the Deputy Governor to take up his role as Nyaribari people, we will be prompted to seek other ways of representation and liaison with the Governor of Kisii County. Yes. We therefore distance ourselves and the entire people of Nyaribari from the stand that our Deputy Governor has taken by inviting his critics to his home, where they publicly condemned our dear Governor and his leadership. Yes. And finally, as set out in the Constitution, the leader should represent, work with the people and for the people. We ask the Deputy Governor to reclaim his position and lead from the front before we do otherwise.
Yes.
Ours is to continue calling for unity of Nyaribari for a common cause, and this is what we expect the Deputy Governor to lead us in doing, than running away from the county government even before. As our Nyaribari, you know, we are the largest clan and most populous, and so we are entitled for our rightful share in service delivery, and that is the end of our statement.
I'm an advocate and also the chairman of ODM and a pure Nyaribarian. I want to say that the actions of the Deputy Governor of moving from a position where he is representing us, Aba Nyaribari, without consultation is wrong. Yes. Yes. He should know that the Constitution gives way for the Deputy Governor or any other leader to consult his people because he's representing his people. What he has done, he has made a decision, a lone and individual decision, which the Nyaribari people are not supporting at all. Yes. We demand that we are not going to look for him. It is him who will look for us, who will look for these people, and apologize to them. And it is us who are going to ask H.E Arati, the governor, either to forgive him or we ship out and we give him another person. Deputy governor must respect the people of Nyaribari Church and Nyaribari Masaba. And then after that, he respects the people of Kisii. His representation is not personal to him. He is not acting as a deputy governor as Monda, but he is acting on behalf of a community. Regional balancing is in the constitution, and he is representing a region. That region cannot therefore remain unrepresented in that government of Kisii. We call upon the governor of Kisii County, His Excellency H.E Arati, whom we love, and who is working very well for us, to wait for us to give him a signal. Otherwise, for now, Deputy Governor Monda, wherever you are hiding, come out and look for us. We will not look for you.
Mundawutin nakatia wo okora kiliao kara ogenda amasikani achaba amasikani asiriri
Asamareta igongoro kwa Ruth kwa Mkamaubi HR kurwa se kampuni yemegondo ekurukwa engineers kurwa ya somo chi onakuru Nko bariga ni mwensi asomo yegabwo kwena na chi title deed wetani chimia isato oyurabe asomo chomonene onakuru orabe chitariki 15 umutinyo 12 nko bariga ni mwensi karibu sana.
Engineers Land and Properties Limited. Secure your future with us.